So here we got a poster set and the 2021 New Year's Eve live a postcard set. That's specifically BTS one. So from their New Year's Eve live, they had like many artists from underneath this special New Year's Eve concert thing. So there was different artists that had their own photo card set. For me, I got BTS and the BTS poster set. Yeah, so let's see. I'm so excited to look through this. Oh my gosh, it takes some time to take out this poster. It's gonna be difficult, but let's try to do the let's go for the poster first. It'll take some time, so let's go for that one. I'm so nervous. Let's go take out the poster. Okay, I'm so nervous. Okay, look at this. Wow. So cool. Wow. Let's look at it. It's gonna be difficult for me. I have struggled taking out posters all the time, especially these kind of posters, rolled up posters in a plastic. Never goes well sometimes. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Oh, got it. Wow, satisfying there. Okay, hold up. Let's see how I'm gonna place it. It's gonna be this difficult for me. So let's go try. How should I do this? Let me put this here. Put this tube here. And I make in a different perspective so you can see. Ooh, for example, like this, right? Ooh, look at that. Presented by Weverse. Okay. Ooh, do you see the group photo? Oh my gosh! The group! Oh my goodness. Okay. How am I gonna do this? I'll try not to bend them. Okay, let me figure out a way to do this. Hold up. How am I gonna do this? Are they sideways? I don't know. Let me try to. This poster is very good quality. Like, it's very thick. That's good. But wow. Okay. I don't know how to do this, but let's see how am I gonna show this properly. Hold up. So I'm gonna show you a different perspective now. So here is the group poster. Oh my god, they look so good. They look so good. I had to use vases to hold on to these posters. It's just so good quality. Like, seriously. So good quality. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice the chain there. I didn't even notice the chain. Wow. Dang. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next one. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm carefully removing this. Careful. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do this. Wait. How am I gonna do this? Oh my gosh. So I did like this. It's so difficult. Oh my gosh. Struggled here. So this is Namjoon here. Oh my gosh, he looks so good. The detail of him. Oh my gosh. Everything. Damn. Look at that. Damn. This is so hard. I'm holding on to each poster. It's so difficult. Let's see if I can switch to the next one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jin. Holy crap. Let me put back this thing here so I can hold on to the poster. You can see. Okay, now that's easier. I could do like that individually. Oh my god, look at Jin's forehead. Oh my gosh. It's too much. Oh my gosh, the way he put his hands like that, that's a bit too much. Okay, let's move on to the next member. Oh my god, I'm struggling here, but I'm getting there. Oh goodness. Wow, look at Yoongi right there. Look at Yoongi. Oh my god, he looks so good. No joke here. Let me roll this away slowly. Okay, like that. Oh my gosh. Oh, looks so good. Simple. The tie right there. Oh my god, it looks so good. The lighting is really bad, but his tie's right there. His tucks. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Okay, gonna move on to the next one. Oh my god, I'm struggling. But I'm good, I'm getting there. Oh, alright. Whoa! Oh my gosh, the struggle here. Oh no. Okay. Oh shoot. Wait. Hold on. Okay. This member is done. Oh no! Struggle, no! Also, calm down. I need to fix this. Oh my goodness. Okay, with one hand, that's really difficult, but I'm getting... Okay. Oi. Okay, there you go. Woo! Also, you need to calm down. Okay. Struggle right there. Whoa. Wow, the buttons, details. Oh, okay. Love it. Okay, it looks so good. And then, we're gonna move on to the next member. Woo! Look at this one. Oh, you know who's next. Oh, look at this detail on the back. It's really nice. I'm gonna put it up like this. Okay. Next member, Jimin. Wow. Details. He looks so good. Damn. And then the way he holds the tie like that? No. Not allowed to do that, but you know, that's what he always does. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling here. Okay. Okay. Taeyang, calm down for a moment. I need to fix this really quick. Okay. Wow, look how many stacks like this. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, Taeyang. Wow, details. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. Okay. I'm gonna move on to the last poster I have. Oh my gosh, I'm dying like this. Okay. Oy. Trying to struggle. Okay, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at him go. His long hair makes me go crazy every time. Oh my gosh. Dang. Details. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Everything. Looks so good. Oh my god, that's good. It's final poster. The detail's really nice. I can show you the back a little bit by little. See their names, the live concert, you know. It's really nice. So I could take so much time to put it back together. Let me do that really quick, and then gonna be I'll go show you the postcard set after this. Here We are going to put back the poster. Finally took me like, wow, it took me 5 minutes to finally put it back into the plastic. Wow, look at that. Finally put back, put the cap back on. Ta-da. Okay, we're gonna move on to the postcard set right now. Okay, let's look at the postcard set. This could be our last thing for this unboxing. Oh my gosh. That poster, that was exhausting to put it away. One of the annoying things. Whoa. Whoa. The box is weird. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I learned my lesson that I need to close this up, the plastic fold area, so it won't stick onto anything. So, okay, let's open this. Let's go look at the front first. Everything around it. It's really nice. Yep, everything looks nice, right? It's kind of weird, the closing part. Okay, now I'm how to carefully open this up. Okay, there we go. Whoa. Okay. Ooh. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Look at that. The folding's weird. It's really weird. Okay. Let's go do this. Oh my gosh. Really good condition. Yay. Look at the group photo. They look so cute. Look how happy they are. Oh, I just love them so much. Wow. Okay. I'm not sure there's anything in the back. Ooh, okay. The back side looks like this. Really nice. Okay. How are we gonna do this? How am I gonna put this back? Okay. How am I gonna do this? Don't want to damage anything. Put it like that then. Okay. So it's easier for me to put back the stuff. Okay. Now I'm June. Oh my god, he looks so good in this. Oh my. The back side. Like that. Looks cool, right? Move on to the next one. Whoa, Jin. Hello. Oh my gosh. Jin. Jin. Yeah. Ooh, Yoongi looks so good in this outfit, this look. Wow, he looks so good. Looks so good. I missed him so much when I watched the live concert, the New Year's Eve one. Oh my gosh. I cried seeing him, that he was there. Okay. Look at him. Oh my gosh. I can't. Too much for me to handle. Wow. Jimin. Wow. Look how cute. The smirk that he does. Oh my gosh. Too much. Jimin on the back like that. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Oh my. So cute. Okay. And the very last one, Jungkook. Still can't get over his long hair. He looks so good in long hair. Oh my gosh. More detail, right? Looks so cool at the back. Love everything. Looks so cool. I hope you enjoyed this experience of unboxing. It was a chaos for my poster set. Took me so much time to take it out and set it up, like carefully and tear it apart, everything, and put it back is way more difficult. Oh, but I'm glad it's in a tube. Like put in the tube, it's easier to, put it back the posters and stuff. But I'm so happy I got these during their pre-order of these postcard sets and the poster that were for different artists too. That was part of the concert, the special concert. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. These are so good quality. These are so cute. But this is the most cutest thing. Look at their smile. It makes my day, makes my heart happy, everything. Look at them. But yeah, I'm so happy that I got these. These are so cute. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I know I gotta have an unboxing for the concert ticket that is for specifically for the customers that purchased the ticket, the online concert ticket. So I will have the separate video for that. It'll be a really quick and cute, unboxing for me to see first time, like in person, that physical copy of it, the ticket, for that concert. So I hope you are excited for that unboxing. See you next time!